Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me, Rogue Marby Scott, and for those of you that are new to the channel, hi! I am Rogue Marby Scott. So, in today's video, I am actually going to show you how to make a PNG file from scratch, and I'm gonna tell you the ins and outs and whatnot. And I am actually using Pixelmator to be doing this. I am not fantastic when it comes to photoshopping or anything, and Pixelmator is such an amazing app. I mean, it is a paid app and it's not very costly actually, and for what you get, I'm gonna say it's absolutely sublime. I feel like I could do anything with Pixelmator, especially when it comes to like doing stuff like skin editing and you know, just taking away blemishes, or even creating what I'm going to be showing you how to create today, a PNG file from an original signature that I've got, that I'm going to possibly be using on my YouTube channel also as an intro, and I'm going to be using it on a lot of stuff that I do art for, because writing your signature over and over again is just so monotonous and boring. So why not just create a PNG where you can just stick it onto your artwork afterwards. Anyway, without further ado, let's go on to the video. So I'm using my name today to create a PNG file, a file without a background, and I am just sizing it up now, and then I'm going to go and do my levels just so that the black of my writing is darker than what it originally is. So now I've done that, I'm just going to select a rectangle around my name, and then I'm going to use the magic erase tool after inverting that selection and just erase everything I don't need. Quick tip, I always like to create a background with a block color, and it can be lighter or darker than my original image, just so that when I'm going to do some erasing around the edges of the picture, I can see where things are not perfect, and then just, you know, zoom in and erase everything. So as you can see, I am just now erasing all of the yellow out, and that is practically a PNG. But now I am zooming in, and I'm going to use the erase tool to just clean up some of those edges. Now, because this is a Sharpie that I used to write my name, you can see clearly like the little featherings, so I'm just going around that just to smooth up everything and sharpen certain things, but I don't want it to be too stark, as if it's a font. I want you to know that it's my handwriting, so therefore I'm just cleaning it up just a little bit. Now I'm just going to add some highlights and shadows to my text, just so that it pops onto the background, or the the background that I'm going to be placing it on. And this is completely optional, you don't need to do this, but this is something that I like, and I like the effect of it as well, because it
screams out to me. So I'm just making sure that those levels are nice and perfect for me, and then I'm going to move on swiftly. So because this is a signature, I'm just making sure it's really perfect, and I feel like using Pixelmator, it, you know, it just does exactly what I need it to do. And beyond that, I don't need to continuously write my signature onto screen. So now I've created this PNG, I can just throw it up onto whatever. So I'm just resizing it now, and then I'm going to deselect the background so that you have those squares at the back, and then I'm going to save my file as PNG. Do not save it as a JPEG, because you will get those you'll get the squares added, so you'll have to have extra work done. So I'm just going to open up that file now so you can see what it looks like as a PNG in preview. I'm using a Mac, and that is it. You're done.
So that's how I made my PNG file using Pixelmator, and in the UK, Pixelmator is £34.99 on the Apple Store, and yeah, you have amazing software that you can get, and you can literally do anything. I am so happy when I use Pixelmator. I feel like when I edit my pictures for my thumbnails for the channel, like I feel like I do as much as what everybody else does when it comes to photo editing, and it's so simple and easy. And if you actually use an iMac, then just using an iMac is just easy to use. It's just like really user friendly anyway, and I feel like with Pixelmator it's just so user friendly. You don't even need to be like a professional photo editor like myself. I'm not professional. I just know what I want, how I want it to look, and Pixelmator does that for me. Do I need Adobe Photoshop? Maybe no, I don't, because I have Pixelmator, and I am so happy with it. Anyway, ciao for now, Homo sapiens and Marbites. That's how I make my PNG files for when I do my YouTube videos, and I add like little bits and stuff like that into my videos using PNG files. And yeah, it's so easy. I can't believe I use Pixelmator. Like, I've been using Pixelmator for years now, so if you wondered why and how, now you know. Bye.